Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy on me. I tell you, I'm about to have some of this salsa, man, again. I haven't tasted anything from them that are bad, man. I probably tasted about 5 or 6 or 7 different things from them. And it's like, what do I try next? Because everything I've tasted is so good. My goodness, they have a cinnamon. They have like the cinnamon like chicken or something like that, man, with rice or fries, whatever you want on the side, man. Oh, it's so good. This is orange chicken right here. Very good. This right here are some wings, some chicken wings. I'm not sure what my wife got or whatever, but I wanted regular wings, but I don't think these are regular. But anyway, they're good. Actually, you know what? They are the regular breaded ones. They look hot, but they're not. But man, I'm about to get in, man. The food is affordable, is priced just right, it's worth it, and it's excellent. All original recipe. The owner is awesome. I've talked to the ownership group. They're awesome people. The cook, he's awesome. This is some shrimp fried rice. I haven't tried the shrimp fried rice yet, so this is my first time trying that. I like to add something on every time I go, if possible. But it's hard not to go with what you like. You know what I'm saying? So whatever's good for you is good for you. But it's Saturday night, 2 days before Christmas, 2017. Salsa just opened this year. I think about November. They're in Wyoming on 28th Street near Burlingame, in between Burlingame and Byron Center, in between Taco Bell and Long John Silver's. Is across the street for them. It's on the same side as Arby's and Wendy's. It's in between Wendy's and Arby's, so you can't miss it. It's right beside the Party Store. The Party Store has some good people who own them too. Awesome, some good prices for stuff too. You know what I'm saying? So, excuse me. I'm about to eat. Many blessings to you, and thank me because I took time out instead of getting my grub on to tell you about this great food that you're gonna love. You and your family, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, whoever, you're gonna love this, man. Your kids, and I'm gonna have some other stuff under this video that you can go and support my business also. I do all types of things. I do health and wellness. I do beauty products, brand name stuff, awesome stuff that I use myself. Of course, I don't use beauty products, you know what I'm saying, but I use like cleansers and stuff like that. But for you ladies, I got brand name stuff out there for you, clothes, all types of stuff. And my thing is, I like to do it at the best price possible to save you money and everything like that, and just to be a good business person because I want you to buy from me and I want you to come back. So that's my thing. I'm a part of the shopping incentive store, shoppingincentivestore.com. I'll leave a link under this particular video. Have a great day. Bye bye.